Let's tell you about how the US markets fared overnight, and stocks there rose for a third day on Thursday after upbeat housing data and stronger than expected earnings as well trickled in economic data and index of pending home sales that rose to nearly a two-year high in the month of March. The Dow on closing bell was up a good 114 points. The S&P index it advanced about 9 points, and the Nasdaq Composite gained about 21 points. After the closing bell, shares of Amazon.com jumped 8.6% on above estimate quarterly earnings.
Let's look at Asian markets. The Asian markets are trading absolutely flat. That's the operating word for Asia this morning. Japan is at 9562, Hong Kong is up 95 points, China is down only 2 points, and if you look at SGX right at the top of your screen, 5221, which is up 4 points. The reason why SGX is trading above 5200 is because SGX is a benchmark for Nifty futures. Since Nifty futures for the May series are stacked up at a 27 or 29 point premium, SGX obviously will be trading above 5200. What about other safe havens and other basic indicators? The dollar index is below 80. Global volatility in last 2-3 days has plunged by about 10%. And if you check on safe havens, copper prices have recovered. Crude prices have also recovered, but sugar and other basic commodities have corrected. Peter Cardlow, Chief Economist with the Rockefeller Global Capital, joins us live now. Peter, morning. Thank you for joining us. Peter, Dow is above 13,000. Nasdaq is above 3,000. What is driving U.S. equities? Hope or U.S. economic data strong corporate numbers?
Well, I think it's a combination of good, strong earnings. So far, this earnings season has been somewhat surprising, and I think more so the fact that guidance by corporate America continues to be quite strong. And, of course, the Feds have left the door open for further easing, and that also is, I think, playing a part in the fact that the market has reversed now, and that we are once again in an upward movement.
So, Peter, what are the new levels you are working with for S&P and for Dow now?
Well, I think by my midterm objective for the S&P is 1445, and we're probably looking at maybe another 2 to 3% on the Dow. So I think all things being equal, I think the market will continue to move higher, and then of course I think the economy will continue to grow somewhere between 2.75% and 3% for 2012, and that should mean that corporate America remains strong. Obviously, inflation, while being a bit higher, is not going to be a big threat in terms of balance sheets, and I also believe the fact that interest rates are not going anywhere. It's just basically a safe haven for the equity market. Bottom line is there's really no place to go but into equities.
Okay, Peter, appreciate you taking the time out and joining us today this morning.